It sounds pretty horrible, and it can be deadly.
Cases of whooping cough have more than quadrupled already in northern Kentucky, and that has health department officials on alert tonight. You can hear that sound there. That's the telltale sound, really, of whooping cough, but it's not the only symptom.
9 on your side, Scott Wegener shows us how the health department is taking action tonight.
It's a suffocating infection that sounds like this. In growing numbers since the beginning of November, that choking hack is making itself heard in northern Kentucky.
We currently have 31 cases of whooping cough or pertussis.
That's a 440% increase of the bacterial infections from this time last year. So much it has the Northern Kentucky Health Department giving free vaccines to anyone over 18 who wants them.
The whooping cough can be very dangerous.
Take a couple breaths for me, okay?
Dr. Rob Tagger has been seeing some of those cases.
In the local schools.
People may be surprised to learn they can still get the disease even if they've been immunized.
It does wear off.
Once you hit about 11 years of age, you need to have a booster shot.
Tagger says some people may have pertussis and not know it. That's because of misperceptions about the characteristic cough and the vaccinations that nearly everyone gets as a child.
Someone who's been immunized typically does not have that typical sound.
And while health department officials say they can't remember the last time anybody died locally from whooping cough, they say keeping your immunization current is just as important for those around you.
You're potentially putting other people at risk for contracting the disease as well.
Scott Wegener, 9 on your side, Florence.